Alright, so this is a video I didn't really plan to do today. This is going to be a short video, maybe a couple minutes if that. This is actually a build that I'm planning on doing with Luke. This is an MSI. It's either an MS75818 or a P6N GM2. It's a socket 775 motherboard. Currently in it is a Q6600, but based on the results of the last couple videos, I have a feeling that's about to change. And this is an MSI N8400GS. Now, like I said, this is for a 5-year-old. So there's certain criteria that don't need to be met when you're dealing with a computer for a 5-year-old. At the moment, it has 4 gigs of RAM in it because I stole that from one of the other computers here. And that's in single channel? That's weird. Why does it even, why does it even call that out when there's only 2 RAM slots anyway? Wait, I love that. But yeah, so this is going to be, I'll probably put it at I'll probably end up putting a, an SSD in it. Or I might just run it with a hard drive. Although, like, he's been playing with a Chromebook, but his favorite color is red. So that's why I got these components. I'm gonna put them in a Fractal. I don't even remember. I don't have the case yet, but ooh, why is that autofocus? Come on. Give me a second. I don't know why this is doing that. Okay, there we go. It's a Fractal case. It's red with a side window. So I'm just gonna put this stuff in there. I wanted to make sure this all worked together, which it does. And this would make a nice little system for me. It's not going to be fast by any means. I'm going to be putting Linux Mint on it, so it really doesn't matter too much with the capabilities, because at the end of the day, he's a 5-year-old and he is playing like ABC Mouse and some other stuff on a Chromebook right now. But I'm going to have him, we're going to have him on camera doing quite a bit of the build. So it's going to be something that he built that he can have fun with, and that's pretty much the whole point of it. So anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on here. It's a shame that you can't get, like, I like these, I mean, I know it's passively cooled, so it's not that powerful of a card, but that you can't get anything cool like that anymore. But I just figured something else out, and I will be shooting a video on that as well. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank everybody for watching. Scrolling across the screen right now, special thanks to my Patreon supporters, and if you'd like to see your name there, there's always a link down in the description below. But as always, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.